This is a teardown of an AMP Netconnect branded breakout patch panel for gigabit networking. And I don't believe there's a model number on this one. I do have some of these for sale, so I'll have to put the model number in the description, I guess, and a link to them. But I believe basically what this is there's switches that have special ports, so you run cables from the switch to these, and then I think it's like a port density thing. Because I've seen some Cisco switches in the past where they have funky ports, but each line card has like 56 ports on it instead of the normal 48. And this is quite heavy, but it's made out of aluminum, so I'm not sure where all the weight's coming from. Not much to see from a scrap standpoint, though. Literally just a pass-through, though, so it's not too surprising. Let's set this down. The top half of this, it definitely feels like aluminum. It's really light. I think the bottom half might be steel, or these just assemblies are just that heavy. Oops. There we go. Grab the trusty magnet and see what it has to say. Nope. Bottom's aluminum. Some isolation pads here to stop the pins from shorting out onto the housing. They were sticky at one point, but not so much anymore. Just like some cardboard, basically. And yeah, each one of these modules has a set of 12 ports. Who knows what that proprietary connector is called? And then upside down, some model numbers on there. But you can see, oh, that's weird. What in the world? Huh. I don't understand. So you got all these little wavy lines. I don't know if that's like some sort of weird way to it's not impedance matching, it's I don't know what the right word is. I don't know, that's some weird way to like match the length of the traces. But not too much to see on the top side of the board. Looks like most of the business is happening on the bottom. Although I suspect this is multi-layer, because there's not enough traces going everything. And it is a fairly thick PCB. Don't really have anything for reference. This is number 1 Phillips, I guess. So, decently thick PCB. These have some weight to them, but they're not going to have much board scrap value. Probably 10 cents a pound. But hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.